Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to to Cardano. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So I do think that there's a chance that Cardano bottomed there in June. I've gone through this scenario with you many times, but I think that what we've got towards the bottom here, we've got this compression pattern of a falling wedge. And at this point, I did release this indicator to you. We've got the CoinsKid ribbon. It flashed a buy signal on the breakout of this wedge. And then, I was anticipating a 5-wave move up into this leg of resistance here, where I did expect a correction to begin. So this was part of my confluence of analysis that from here, we've got the compression breakout. It was looking for a trade into that. It is a post that I made in a Discord, and I'll show you that post quickly before I move on with the further analysis right there. So I did make this post in Discord on the 20th of October 2023. Cardano weekly getting tight in there, possible falling wedge looking to break up, green line invalidation, yellow lines, point of resistance if we break up, untapped resistance at 0.74 and $1.80. Best of luck, CoinsKid crew. So really simple. You got your falling wedge just here. You break out. These are your resistance points of the wedge, but once you break out, we're looking at a correction on that double top drop just there, a pullback and then a break towards $1.80. So that's my primary expectation at the moment, and this is why I do remain bullish on Cardano to get to that target of $1.80 until I start to see different data. Okay, so I'll go through that with you in the chart, but again, jump into the Discord. Obviously these forecasts do take a very long time to play out, but so far this is playing out like an absolute boss, and I don't see any invalidation of why Cardano is looking to charge towards that minimal $1.80 target right there. Let me show you the technical analysis right now. Okay, so what I'm looking at, Cardano is charging to this level here, which is this double top drop. Basically it's at this level of resistance retest in 5 waves. So at this point flip bearish because of the 5 waves up. Really simple, part of my confluence analysis last year, that we would see that macro correction, and then just like at the bottom of this correction, what we've seen is a very similar situation where we've come down like this. You get your falling wedge like that, you get really tight towards the apex, breakout, back test, buy signal, boom boom boom, really tight. I relay this opportunity to you, breakout, back test, buy signal. So just like this move here, sorry, we've seen a 1 2 3 4 5 setup. We've not seen 5 waves up at the moment, so we've only seen 1 2 3 at the moment. Okay, so this is why I am still buying Cardano. I'm accumulating Cardano, and I did relay a beautiful little ABC 1.618 back test of this level of resistance as support target basically, and I did relay to CoinsKid crew in the Discord on the 20th of December right there. I was in the airport and I looked at the charts and I relayed a beautiful ABC zigzag 1.618 to that target. Look at that, absolutely knob and ascent. So we've come up from that and we're doing really well. At the moment I don't see any reason to be bearish until we start to break down below that target, and obviously the CoinsKid ribbon, just like we did here late spring last year basically. So losing the ribbon I think will be a telltale sign of a bigger correction that's it's at play basically. So until that day comes, I do think there's a potential that we could be looking at another move here. We've got a 1 2 3 4 5 setup to that level of resistance, where obviously we could begin a bigger correction at that. And if we take a look that from this bottom, you've got some kind of 1 into a 2 into a 3, absolutely possible. So that at the moment is a target $1.80, and that's a target I was relaying in October of 2023. And from there, at this bottom, the floor, that could be a whopping move of roughly 603%. But currently from that buy zone that I was relaying to the CoinsKid crew way back when, we're currently up 306% on Cardano. Now these projections and these forecasts do take a very long time, and at the moment I'm looking for the invalidation and I just don't see it yet. So what do we need to see to increase the probability of this major vertical in this breakout to this minimal target of $1.80 with a potential to go to this orange line here? What do we need to see from this point? Well, it's really simple, and I relay this to you, and we're relaying this for many weeks to the CoinsKid crew. We need to see a breakdown in this purple line, which is your Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so right now we've had this drop, as we've seen this pop. We can tie in the ranges to some kind of retracement coming back up. This is a retracement coming back down, but what we most definitely want to see is a major drop in the purple line. If we see that, this thing will take off into space. So I'm eyeballing the dominance every single day, looking for a reason why this isn't in front of us. The minute I see it, the minute I relay that to you. And obviously if you do start to see the dominance breaking out, then in theory we should see Cardano breaking down, okay, and then losing the CoinsKid ribbon on the daily time frame, which at the moment is an ABC to that, as this is retraced, and at the minute it's coiling up for an explosive move in my opinion. But again, nothing I say is financial advice. This is why I'm accumulating Cardano as I was there and as I was there basically. Open stand update, stay up for stay tuned. If you're looking for a fantastic meme coin opportunity in this market as we approach the end of this market, which is typically where millionaires are made from buying meme coins, then I think Fartboy could be that opportunity for you going forward. Now please stay tuned to the validation validation points and things like that. I've not got a crystal ball. I can't guarantee that this explosive moves in front of us, but I think we're set up for this, for Cardano going forward. And obviously, the minute I see the invalidation is the minute I'll relay that to you. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Definitely get involved in that Discord, okay? It's easy for me to do real-time updates. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on Cardano. Bye-bye.